Hi guys and gals, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, napag-usapan at na-compare natin yung Toyota and Mitsubishi manufacturer's recommendation for the replacement interval ng car oils, fluids, and filters. Kung na-miss nyo yung video na yun, idadagdag ko na lang siya sa related videos at ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description. Now in this video, isi-share ko naman yung recommendation ng Nissan for the replacement interval ng oils, fluids, and filters for Nissan diesel vehicles. Applicable to sa Navarra, Terra, at Urvan. So let's start! Bago pala natin simulan, source pala natin ay ang Nissan Warranty and Maintenance Booklet. So hindi po to invento lang. Galing po to mismo sa Nissan. Start tayo sa mga oils at fluids. For engine oil, every 10,000 kilometers or 6 months, whichever comes first. FYI, may additional note sa manual na gumamit lang ng API CG4 or higher na grade oil. Ngayon, I did a quick research and found out na this is no longer that much of a concern today since itong specification na to, API CG4, ay actually obsolete na. Ibig sabihin, most if not all modern diesel engine oils in the market today ay mas mataas na ang rating kumpara dito. Next, transmission fluid. For Navarra and Terra, both automatic and manual transmission replace every 80,000 kilometers or 4 years, whichever comes first. For Nissan Urvan, for manual and automatic transmission, replace every 100,000 kilometers or 5 years, whichever comes first. Engine coolant. Navarra, Terra, and Urvan, check and correct engine coolant mixture ratio at 40,000 kilometers or 2 years. Yan po yung kumbaga timpla ng coolant. And palitan, replace every 80,000 kilometers or 4 years, whichever comes first. Of course, ang recommendation nila ay gumamit ng genuine Nissan engine coolant, yung color blue, or any equivalent quality. Brake fluid naman, replace every 40,000 kilometers or 2 years, whichever comes first. Power steering fluid, no particular replacement schedule, pero kailangang ma-inspect ang level at kung may tagas every 10,000 kilometers. Last sa oils and fluids, differential fluid o gear oil. For all three, Navarra, Terra, and Urvan, replace every 100,000 kilometers or 5 years, whichever comes first. Kasama na po dyan ang front differential at transfer oil para sa mga 4-wheel drive models. Punta naman tayo sa filters. Engine oil filter, kasabay lang siya ng engine oil. Palitan every 10,000 kilometers or 6 months, whichever comes first. Engine air filter. For Navarra and Terra, replace every 20,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. For Nissan Urvan, first replace at 10,000 kilometers and succeeding replacements every 20,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Fuel filter. For Navarra and Terra, replace every 40,000 kilometers or 2 years, whichever comes first. For Urvan, replace every 20,000 kilometers or 1 year, whichever comes first. Lastly, cabin aircon filter. Nga pala, for more driving insights and car tips, make sure to subscribe. Libre lang po yan at malaking tulong na rin sa pag-grow ng ating channel. For all three, Navarra, Terra, and Urvan, change every 20,000 kilometers or 12 months, whichever comes first. Tayo po ay nagbibigay paalala lang. For additional maintenance schedule and details, it's best to refer to your owner's manual. Kung nakatulong ang video na to, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and again, subscribe for more.